Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Restoring headlights to their original clarity can greatly improve visibility and enhance the overall appearance of your vehicle. To achieve a permanent restoration, you'll need to follow a systematic process and use the right tools and materials. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to restore headlights permanently. Gather the necessary materials. Masking tape. Clean, lint-free microfiber towels. Headlight restoration kit, available at auto parts stores or online. Sandpaper, various grits, 400, 800, 1000, 1500, 2000. Water source, spray bottle or hose. Power drill, optional, for faster sanding. Prepare the headlights. Clean the headlights thoroughly using soap, water, and a sponge to remove any surface dirt or grime. Use masking tape to protect the surrounding areas of the headlights from accidental scratches or damage. Sand the headlights. Wet the sandpaper or soak it in water for a few minutes. Begin with the lowest grit sandpaper, 400, and sand the headlight lens in horizontal and vertical motions. Keep the surface wet while sanding. Gradually move to higher grit sandpapers, 800, 1000, 1500, 2000, repeating the sanding process with each grit. Ensure that you cover the entire headlight surface evenly, focusing on areas with heavy oxidation or cloudiness. Rinse the headlight and clean off any residue between sandpaper grits. Apply headlight restoration compound. Follow the instructions on the headlight restoration kit. Apply the restoration compound to a clean, dry microfiber towel or applicator pad. Rub the compound onto the headlight lens using circular motions, applying moderate pressure. Continue rubbing until the lens feels smooth and the cloudiness starts to diminish. Wipe off any excess compound with a clean microfiber towel. Polish the headlights. Apply the polishing compound from the restoration kit to a separate microfiber towel or pad. Buff the headlight lens using circular motions with firm pressure. Continue polishing until the lens becomes clear and glossy. Use a clean microfiber towel to wipe off any residue. Apply a protective sealant. Some restoration kits include a protective sealant, which helps to maintain the clarity of the headlights. Follow the instructions provided with the kit to apply the sealant properly. Apply the sealant evenly across the entire headlight lens and allow it to dry completely. Repeat the process if necessary. If the headlights still exhibit cloudiness or oxidation after the first restoration attempt, repeat the entire process. Multiple rounds may be required to achieve the desired results, especially if the headlights are severely damaged. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your headlights to a clear and permanent condition. Remember to regularly clean and maintain your headlights to prolong their clarity and protect them from future damage. Consider using a power drill, while sanding by hand is effective. Using a power drill with a sanding attachment can speed up the process and make it easier to achieve consistent results. Just be cautious and maintain control over the drill to avoid damaging the surrounding areas. Protect the paintwork. During the restoration process, it's crucial to protect the paintwork surrounding the headlights. Apply masking tape generously to ensure that no accidental scratches or damage occur while sanding or applying compounds. Use proper technique while sanding. When sanding the headlights, it's important to maintain a steady and even pressure. Keep the sandpaper wet to prevent friction and ensure a smooth sanding process. Remember to sand in both horizontal and vertical motions to cover the entire surface evenly. Choose a quality restoration kit. There are various headlight restoration kits available in the market, ranging in quality and effectiveness. Look for a kit that includes high-quality compounds, polishes, and a protective sealant. Read reviews and consider recommendations to choose a reliable product. Be patient and thorough. Headlight restoration requires time and attention to detail. Take your time during each step and ensure that you cover the entire headlight surface. Rushing through the process may lead to subpar results. Regular maintenance is essential. Even after restoring your headlights, it's essential to maintain them properly to prevent future damage. Regularly wash your car and clean the headlights with mild soap and water. Applying a UV protective coating or wax can also help to shield the headlights from oxidation and maintain their clarity. Consider professional assistance. If you're unsure about restoring the headlights yourself or if the damage is extensive, it might be worth seeking professional help. Automotive detailers or repair shops often offer headlight restoration services using specialized equipment and techniques. Remember, the key to achieving a permanent restoration is to address the root cause of headlight damage, which is usually oxidation. By properly sanding, polishing, and protecting the headlights, you can restore their clarity and maintain their condition for an extended period. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car-related content. See you next time.